Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we will show you how to change the key battery on your Suzuki Ertiga 2023. Now let's get started. First you will need few things: a small flathead screwdriver and a new battery for your Suzuki Ertiga. Then step 1. Insert the flathead screwdriver gently into the joint. Twist the screwdriver to separate the two halves of the fob. Be careful not to use too much force. Now step 2. Once you have opened the fob of your Suzuki Ertiga, note the orientation of the old battery before removing it. You will need to place the new battery in the same way. Then step 3. Take your new battery and insert it into the compartment. And then step 4. Snap the two halves of the fob back together. You should hear a click when it's securely closed. And then step 5. Test the key fob to make sure it's working. You can do this by pressing any button and checking if your Suzuki Ertiga responds. By this method, you can change the Suzuki Ertiga's key fob. So if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.